Introducing the 2021 Dodge Charger. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 70,000 miles on the odometer. Go bold or go home. The Charger packs aggressive athleticism and unexpected fuel efficiency into a driver-centered, family-friendly four-door package. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated and/or cooled front seats, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, heated driver's seat, keyless entry, heated rear seat, satellite radio, backup camera, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, alarm. The four-door powerhouse that is at home on the track as well as the cul-de-sac. Drive the Charger.